was me.
Of course, I know. You're the one who's suspicious, and you're the one who coughs like that. But that was your producer just talking. He went home. I saw in his filing cabinet when I was investigating. You are actually the kidnapper. You're the one who took a video of yourself coughing to make sure you won't be suspected, huh? But you were coughing. It was you. You accidentally played it one day, and then it kept playing. Now you were the one who did it. Cops! Cops!
What's the matter here? What's happening? What's happening? Where are the cops?
Thank goodness, Coconut, the famous monkey, has kidnapped the rest of the stars. I know it's him. Him.
Don't worry, we'll take him to jail. Speed quick, as fast as we can, so he doesn't escape through our car.
I know that's all settled.
Yep, but I'm the greatest investigator ever.
Oh, but there's something wrong here. We need a new Coconut for the monkey. We need a new, reporter since the old one been arrested.
Hello? I'm looking for a job.
Well, you come to the right place. Can you announce stuff?
Yep, I can.
Let's see you do it.
So, today... Breaking news!
Mom, you have sturdy balance. So, now, Bugsy has become our news reporter. And this mystery's solved.
Wait, I didn't announce anything.
Shh.